I ran out of memory. I've cleared some space, but I don't have much left. I got to get some work. Anyway, this is an engine that was assembled by it was for me by Jim Shea, and I just did some rework on it so that I can get this gear to fit in this groove. He cut the groove out for me, but he didn't cut it quite big enough, so I hogged it out with my Dremel, by God. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to modify this device here. Instead of that limit switch, I'm going to extend it out and bring it over so that it has this boss to hold this gear in, okay? So I'm going to screw this down here. It's going to rest over here, and it's going to hold this gear in, and I'm going to get a gear on a reverse and boiler. I'm going to get this gear. That way, all of my other sensors work the same, exactly the same, no matter what engine it is. And I'm convinced this material is small enough or soft enough, I should be able to machine this out on my machine over there quietly. Now he did put bearings in this board, but he wasn't happy with it, and I guess I'm just not going to worry about it right now. But I really want to get this hogged out and get this fitted so that I can do all of the switches, all of the same for the puff and chuff for all the steam engines, and then I'll be happy. Okay, I'm out of time here on my phone, and it's already supper time, but I'll try to mash these two together if I can. If not, they'll just be two videos, and you'll have to watch one and then the other. So stupid phone just shuts off, and I don't know enough to take care of business, so there. All right, so there's the three engines, the three variations, different things I'm working on, and I still have Leon's over there too. Okay.